Hello everyone, I am Deepika Patel, Senior Consultant of Encryption Consulting. Encryption Consulting handles all the aspects of security concerns such as data security, key management, and privacy. Our topic for this video is the breakdown of the Mimecast certificate hack. We will be covering the details of the incident, including the threat actors involved, intent, and impact of the attack. Following to that, we will have discussion on what technology was compromised and the best practices to prevent this kind of crisis. As per the available reports, we know that a sophisticated threat actor has compromised the supply chain of this company. Mimecast is a well-known cybersecurity firm. They provide cloud-based email management solutions such as security archiving facility for Microsoft Exchange and Microsoft Office 365 accounts. To provide these services, they first attempt to obtain the machine identity through cryptographic certificates. Once the endpoint devices acknowledge and accept these certificates, Mimecast gets access to various sensitive data such as Active Directory, journaling, and delivery routes data. The attacker has chosen to fabricate one of these certificates to gain access of this various sensitive information. Once the compromised certificate was accepted by the user, the attacker obtained the machine identity, for which end result they had done can only be speculated, but it is known that the threat actor behind this attack is the same as the ones who perpetrated the infamous SolarWinds attack following this event. The SolarWinds hack targeting multiple government agencies. It is highly likely that this attack enabled them to carry on the next massive attack. Nonetheless, around 10% of Mimecast customers' data got leaked by this, which has put a huge dent on Mimecast's reputation. Certificate management is a widely used security mechanism which provides transport layer security of the OSI model. It used a mechanism known as TLS handshaking. It enables a secure connection and exchange of the public key. In each session, an unique key is generated which is used to encrypt and decrypt the data. The data also carries a message authentication code which protects the integrity of the data. The process starts with issuance of the certificate. The endpoint devices then request these certificates through a secure channel with a public key. When both sides acknowledge, the certificate is deployed which contains the session key details which allows the parties to encrypt and decrypt data. Although certificate management is a powerful tool, without certain industry standard practices, one may face the risk like expensive outages and downtime, regulatory penalties, non-compliance fines, critical data breaches, etc. To avoid these uncertain events, here at Encryption Consulting, we provide various services such as baseline inventory creation, certificate authorization, certificate assessment dashboard, certificate lifecycle tracking, and automated certificate provisioning. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and contact us for more details.